This video is part of a series on how to make your PowerPoint presentations accessible, particularly to those who use screen readers. In this session, we're going to continue looking at the Slide Master, and we're going to find out how to create your own Slide Master. I'm going to go to the View menu and Slide Master. And on the left is the default Slide Master, which is part of the theme that I'd chosen. I want to make my own theme though, so I'm going to insert a new Slide Master. And that appears as a second Slide Master underneath the default one. So the first one is still there with all the slides inside it, and now I've got a second one. I'm going to start on this master slide, and I'm going to click on Master Layout so that I can choose what to include in it. I don't particularly want a date or a footer, but I do want to keep the slide number, the title, and the text. So I'm going to click OK. And now those items that I didn't want have gone. In my slide number, I want to put the word slide in front of the number, because otherwise a number on its own can be a little bit misleading, especially when read by a screen reader with no context. So I'm going to call it slide and then the number. Before I go any further, I also want to change the colour scheme, and I'm going to choose my own colour scheme and my own fonts. Then I want to add a shape. I want to add a rectangle down the left-hand side, quite a thin one, almost like a line, and I want that to be brown. I might add an effect to that, maybe a bit of a drop shadow, like that. And I want to make sure that that is aligned so that it's exactly in the middle from top to bottom. There. So that has appeared on my Slide Master, and the ones that are beneath it have the same. Now I'm going to go through and make some more changes. I want the title on each one. I actually would like that to be in a navy blue box with white text. So I'm going to keep switching between shapes and fonts. I'd like that to be bold. And as I did that, all the slides that sit within it, their title has been adjusted as well to match. I want all of my bullet points to also be navy blue, so I'll change that. And now I'm going to make some changes to specific slides. So in this one, I would like the title to be left aligned, and I would like the subtitle to be right aligned. I want the subtitle to be bold and in navy blue, and a little bit lower than it currently is, like that. I'm happy with this slide. I'm not happy with that text, so I'm going to make that, I want it to be a lighter blue and bold. Yeah, happy with that one. On this one, I would like these to be navy blue. So I can go through and make as many changes as I want to this new style. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to go back to the Slide Master menu and I'm going to rename it. So within the Slide Master menu, I'm going to click on Rename and I'm going to call it Finberries. And now I'm going to close the master view. When I go back, because when I originally created this, I used a different Slide Master, it's still retaining that. But now I can go through and I can change the layout. So when I go into the Layout menu now, the original theme is there, but also so is my Finberries theme. So I'm going to change that to the Finberries theme and also this one. Now, when I go back to the View menu and into the Slide Master, because the default Slide Master isn't being used anymore by any slides, it's been taken out, leaving me just my own. So if I wanted to then make that into a template that other people could use, I could do that. And the advantage of doing that is that the headings and subheadings are retaining their accessible features and will be read out to a screen reader. In the next video, we will show how a screen reader will read those, and we're going to use JAWS and Narrator to show the differences.